Our first adventure in Munising, Michigan was Riptide Ride, a high-speed boat tour on Lake Superior that completely soaked us. So fair warning, there's plenty of wind noise and screaming ahead, but this was easily one of the most fun things we've done as a family, and a must-do if you're ever in Michigan's Upper Peninsula. We're headed down to the boat for Riptide Ride. It is a high-speed boat ride on Lake Superior and got super good reviews, so we're really excited. And I think the boys want to sit in the front, which is where you get the most wet, so that should be fun times. Ooh, we need seatbelts even. Seatbelts.
Oh man. Seatbelts.
Hey, how are you? I am doing awesome.
Hello.
Hey, how are we doing, guys?
Good.
So with that speed, communicating with me becomes quite difficult, if not impossible.
In case of emergency, there are life jackets located at the front and rear of the captain's area.
Are you excited?
We are now at the East Channel Lighthouse on Grand Island. The East Channel Lighthouse was built in 1867 to guide vessels into Munising Harbor from the east. The location, opposite the dangerous shoal at Sand Point, was critical for safe navigation. The lighthouse was abandoned in 1913. It is now privately owned. We will now take a ride over to Trout Bay.
Look at the water color.
You'll notice that there's water dripping from the ceiling of the air naturally by Lake Superior.
We're gonna beach ourselves. Look at this.
Underneath right now.
Those are good stepping stones right there.
You got the picture, Justin. He's gonna put us in here.
This is called the Rotunda.
That tree's a tree.
Going inside. Boy. We're inside. Look at all the layers of rock. Look at that perfect arch.
Yeah.
honestly, getting so much snow in the winter months, when all of that ice and snow begin to melt in the spring, boy, I'll tell you, it does make for some beautiful waterfalls.
Look at his hair. Look at it's looking awesome.